Benefits of cocoa butter and source. Benefits: boosting skin health, moisturizing the skin, preventing stretch marks, prevents skin dryness and peeling, heals chapped lips, fights signs of aging, soothes burns, rashes and infections, makes a great shaving cream, helps improve heart health. Alba Botanica Hawaiian Deep Conditioning Minute Mask Cocoa Butter Review. Description: with argan oil and plant-sourced keratin for soft, smooth hair, real repair. Cocoa butter, intense recovery for damaged hair. 100% vegetarian ingredients. Suggested use: after washing, apply and gently comb through wet hair. After 2 or 5 minutes, rinse. Use weekly. Warnings: caution, for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. No animal testing. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.